The Irkutsk Aviation Factory, part of the United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, has delivered a new batch of Su-30SM2 fighter jets and Yak-130 fighter trainer jets to the Russian Ministry of Defense. The Su-30SM2 is an upgraded version of the aircraft already in service with the Russian Aerospace Forces and the Russian Navy. The Russian Ministry of Defense stated that the new aircraft had received advanced radio-electronic equipment. This upgrade has increased the combat capabilities of the aircraft. In particular, the range of detection and identification of air targets has been increased, the Russian government explained. It added that the strike capability against air, land and sea targets was also increased with the integration of new smart weapons that have a range of hundreds of kilometers. While the two-seat Yak-130 fighter trainer jet is used for basic and advanced training for pilots before moving on to operate modern fighter aircraft, including 4++ and 5th-generation fighter aircraft.